Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening settings and enabling what's required. Developer options only if you'll use ADB, otherwise skip it. Make sure YouTube and a modern browser are installed. Grant the browser and any pop-up app permission to draw over other apps. This is essential because Android blocks overlays by default. Once done, open YouTube in the browser, not the app, so the browser can request a pop-up. You're now ready to move to the exact steps that turn the tab into a floating window. Now open YouTube in Chrome and choose Request Desktop Site. This often reveals a mini-player or more flexible controls. Tap the browser menu and select Open in New Window or Pull in Split Screen to make it behave like a floating panel. If you want persistent, movable pop-ups, install a trusted floating window app. Grant overlay permission and choose the browser tab to float. You'll be resizing and positioning the player. Move it to a corner and lock it if the app supports pinning so playback continues. To finish, position and lock the floating YouTube window so it stays visible while you multitask. Test playback and volume. If audio cuts or video stops when you switch apps, make sure the browser or floating app isn't battery optimized and that overlay permissions remain granted. If the pop-up misbehaves, restart the browser, clear its cache, or revoke and regrant Display over other apps permission to refresh Android's permission state. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggling the overlay permission often fixes stuck pop-ups immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.